Do you feel underconfident and inferior when you interact with people? Well, let me tell you a few things here. Let's discuss 3 ways to improve yourself in order to beat this inferiority complex. Now, first, you need to look for a positive change all the time. Most of the people, they do not look for that positive change when it comes to improving their own communication skill. Now, how to do that thing? Let's consider an example. If you have good voice quality, then you need to focus on that thing. Most of the people, they do not have this ability. But if you have good voice quality, then you need to focus on that thing because your voice matters a lot. Now, second, if you consider the same thing, you need to embrace this thing. If you embrace it, then it will definitely help you to understand some things that yes, I have this quality and I need to work on that thing. When you work on your qualities, you keep improving yourself and it gives you a proper direction to improve yourself. Now, third one, when you see this specific change in you, when you identify this thing and when you work on that specific stuff, you automatically start applying this thing. And when you follow these 3 steps, it becomes easier for you to understand your own qualities and apply them in your real life. Now, let's consider that most of the people face this particular issue. When they communicate with friends or family members or with their colleagues, there is no problem when they speak in English, right? But when it comes to understanding the same situation, if there is a situation with your boss, with your senior, with your team lead or your manager, what happens at that time? You always feel inferior to talk. Why? Because when it comes to your friends and family members, at that time, you always feel comfortable. And what is the reason behind it? When you interact with your friends, family members and your colleagues, you are not at all afraid about making mistakes. And when you are not afraid about making mistakes, what you feel? You feel confident. You feel comfortable. But the same situation when you apply with your seniors, with your boss, what happens at that time? You always become careful that if any mistake happens, what will happen? Well, don't worry about that situation also. If you put yourself in comfortable situation, it will be easier for you to present your ideas in front of your boss, in front of your colleague, in any specific meeting or any conference that you want to. And it really works well. If you follow these 3 things, first, you need to look for a positive change. Second, you need to embrace that change. You need to nurture it. And third one, whatever that you learn from it, you need to apply it in different situations. If you do this thing, it will help you to understand so many qualities which are hidden within you. And this is what you need to understand in order to improve your communication skill. And this is how you are going to become a powerful communicator. If you like these 3 ways of improving yourself as a great communicator, like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.